how to add Preloader in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account. I'm going to hover over my website and then I'll open the WordPress dashboard. Now right here, we'll hover over plugins and then add new plugin and just search for Preloader. I'll show you which one we want to get. So we will get this one, WordPress Smart Preloader. Sorry. Click on install now. After it has been installed, just activate it and then refresh your page. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hover over settings and then open the WordPress Smart Preloader here, and we can choose the preloader which we want to use for our website. So here we have loader 1. It's not loading. Oh no, it's actually loading. This is actually it. And then loader 3 here, loader 4. You can choose from these, and you can also make a custom animation here. And we can also enable this option to show only on the home page. But basically, after you have chosen the settings that you want, you will click on Save Changes, and now you will have a preloader on your Elementor website. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.